Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Escape cabin air filter. First, open your passenger side door and locate the glove box. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure your new filter is the correct size and type for your Ford Escape, typically measuring about 8 inches by 9 inches. Having the right tools and parts ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by emptying everything from your glove box to avoid any spills or lost items. Gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to disengage the retaining clips. This action allows the glove box to swing down, revealing the rectangular cabin air filter housing directly behind it. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage. With the housing exposed, you're ready to replace the filter. Locate the 2 small retaining tabs on the filter housing cover and unclip them. Carefully pull out the old filter, observing the direction of its airflow arrow, which usually points down. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow also points downwards, matching the original orientation for proper function. Almost done. Once the new filter is in, snap the housing cover back into place, ensuring both retaining tabs are securely fastened. Then, gently lift the glove box and push it back into its original position until you hear the clips engage. Give it a quick test to make sure it opens and closes smoothly. You've successfully changed your Ford Escape cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.